In this video, I will explain how to make $1,000 a month extra income by applying these 13 proven methods. Watch the whole video to get complete information about this process. Let's start the video. Everyone thought an additional $1,000 a month would make them as affluent as college students. Although it may seem absurd today, a monthly budget of $1,000 may go a long way when you're in college. To name a few possible applications for it: pay off your college debts, cover your room and table with a blanket, start investing early, and get as many video games and pizza as you can stand to consume. Whether your goal is to make an additional $1,000 or $10,000, the suggestions above will help you get there. Of course, you'll need to figure out what you'll be doing and how you'll be paid for it. That is the purpose of the remainder of this manual. Let go of your fantasies and start making money. If you want to make an additional $1,000 every month, here are 13 ways you may do so. Even a high school diploma isn't required to get started. They need to put in the effort, be innovative, and be open to learning new things. Number 1. Writing for a living as a freelancer. Freelance writing was the first method from which you can make a significant amount of money while attending college, and it's a worthwhile endeavor for anyone with writing abilities. Numerous businesses need written material, such as articles for blogs, scripts for video projects, and text for websites, among other things. You may charge as much as $50 for an article written by a beginner. Depending on the length and topic matter of the article, more experienced writers may charge up to $150 for each piece. You can earn $1,200 a month writing only 2 articles every week if you work hard enough. To begin writing on your own, you have a variety of possibilities. The first step when looking for freelance employment is to check out sites like Upwork and Fiverr. Contacting blogs that allow guest posts is another option. Number 2. The design of graphics. Graphics, images, logos, unique presentations, and other design components are just as important to businesses as well-written content. Those with a talent for painting or design may generate money via this. Freelance graphic design and writing have a lot in common regarding getting started. Concert tickets may be found on Upwork, Fiverr, and even 99 Designs. Alternatively, you might inquire around campus to see if anybody needs design assistance. Making people's business cards and logos might be a great place to start your design career. There are several methods to study graphic design if you're interested. Aside from the fundamentals of design, composition, font, white space, etc., it's also vital to understand how to utilize Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. Number 3. Web development. So many businesses and people have yet to establish a website, even though it is a must nowadays. Anyone with web programming expertise has an excellent chance to make a substantial sum of money. What if you don't know how to build a website yourself? With some help from Skillshare and a few web building lessons, you'll be able to construct stunning websites for just about anybody. Skillshare's best web development courses. Even if you have no previous experience, these are all courses taught by experts, so you can be sure that you'll learn something new. As a bonus, the link will provide you with a 2-week sample of the courses. Treehouse. Treehouse is a website with an extensive collection of web development courses that teach you how to code. Number 4. Audio transcript. Despite the advancements in voice recognition technology, the ability to accurately transcribe human speech remains challenging. Audio transcribers are in high demand because of this. Audio what Zionist? Listening to a tape and creating a Word document is all it takes to transcribe sound. Customers from all walks of life need and are prepared to pay for the service. Working for an audio transcription firm is preferable to doing it independently. You won't have to go out and locate consumers this way. ReviewRev, which pays $0.36 per minute of audio, which means you'll need to transcribe around 50 hours of audio per month, 12.5 hours per week, to meet the $1,000 criteria for a month. Because you may work from home, this job is ideal if you have a hectic schedule. Number 5. Helping others learn how to use computers and the internet. However, this isn't the case for most individuals who aren't digital natives. Let your grandfather's inability to utilize his iPad be your excuse for not putting your skills to good use. You're only limited by your imagination and what other people are willing to pay for. Just a few thoughts. Give your less tech-savvy instructors PowerPoint presentations to use. Give a computer lesson in your neighbor's nursing home or community center. For example, a guy found a college acquaintance willing to pay him roughly $200 per month for essential computer support. He had a lot of money, but he had no idea how to use a computer. Choose between hourly and project-based uploads based on your needs. If you're prepared to put in the time and money, you may be able to make even more money by obtaining an A+ certification. Number 6. Put your money to work. Compared to any other option on our list, the investment will take the most prolonged period to deliver you an additional $1,000 monthly. To be safe, investing as soon as feasible should be high on your list of priorities. Investing means putting your money to work, and that's the whole point. Since the money you invest grows over time thanks to compound interest, any other approach would force you to trade your time for money. Also, the earlier you get started, the more people will be interested. To put it in another way, if you start investing today at 25 and put down $200 a month for the next 30 years at a return of 7%, you'll be 55 years old when you stop. Even if you simply invest $72,000 of your hard-earned money, you will still have more than $228,000 in your bank account. To put it in another way, you made $156,000 in your sleep. Assuming you don't raise your monthly investment as your career progresses, you can retire with millions of dollars in the bank if you're a clever investor. Remember that starting at 25, even if you don't raise your contribution, you'll only be able to save $316 every month. The first steps. The following are the first 3 things you should know. You can't go wrong with tax-advantaged retirement funds. Making your first investment in retirement accounts is easy when you use a Roth Individual Retirement Account, or IRA. Investing in index funds is a good idea. Investing in a passive strategy that tracks the whole stock market provides an attractive return rate without much volatility. You must fight against high taxes. Your gains might be eaten up by even 1% tax on the fund. Furthermore, the monies raised by these taxes are virtually always less than the cash raised via reducing expenses. You'll need these 3 guidelines to get started, even if you learn more along the way. Starting with M1 Finance is attractive since there is no management fee and a minimum first commitment. You could currently toss in $50 and set up a monthly recurring contribution of $25 to get started. You can also change your investment based on your objectives. M1 Finance. Investing by the program. Investing in the future is vital if you have a consistent income and have paid off your obligations. M1 Finance is currently the most important choice for first-time investors. You may build a Roth IRA, the most fantastic choice for students and young professionals, and make automatic investments in ETFs using the website, which is free and easy to use for everyone. Other platforms do not have this combination. Number 7. Get rid of stuff you no longer use. You undoubtedly have many perfect items in your closet, garage, or attic that you no longer use. Why not sell them instead of allowing them to collect dust and become a nuisance? It's possible to make an additional $1,000 by doing this, depending on how many items you own. Because of this, it is essential if your parents or grandparents allow you to pick up old things and sell them too. That said, it's unlikely that this is the most excellent strategy to earn supplemental income regularly. As a result, you must go beyond just selling your own products and selling them to others. Number 8. Retail arbitration. Is it for sale? For example, you'll need to do this if you want to make money by reselling anything you buy at a discount store like Walmart, or even a secondhand shop. Most people do this on Amazon or eBay, but if you specialize in antique clothes or items, you may choose a more specialized site like Poshmark or Etsy. As a warning, this might cause you money and effort if done incorrectly. Using a program like Amazon Seller, which can be used both in Android and iOS, to determine how much profit you can make from a purchase is often the best way to go. However, if you execute it correctly, it may be a profitable method of earning money. Number 9. Repair and dismantling of machinery or other vehicles. Every day, it can easily be seen a yard sale for an old automobile or bicycle. There are a lot of individuals who earn a lot of money by purchasing, fixing, and reselling old cars, even though they don't have the time or the mechanical know-how. At the very least, you will need the appropriate instruments and space and extensive experience in this field. However, getting started is a piece of cake if you have these items on hand. Investing $1,000 a month on automobile repairs and then selling it for $5,000 nets you an extra $1,000 monthly. Number 10. Babysitting or nanny services. Many people have children that need the care of an adult they can trust. You can make a lot of money here, particularly if you're willing to put in the effort to babysit. Care.com is one option, or you may use word of mouth to develop your own company. Some of my acquaintances can charge $20 an hour for this sort of job. So you just need to work an additional 12.5 hours a week to earn an extra $1,000 a month. Number 11. Work in the garden. Everything individuals don't want to do in their backyards falls under the topic of work in the garden. Although mowing the grass and other outside chores are often associated with warmer weather, yard maintenance may also involve tasks like shoveling snow and cleaning up dog waste. If you do these things, you can make money all year round. The key is to make a difference. There are a few ways to price this service, including a fixed cost based on the size of the yard, for mowing or shoveling snow, or an hourly rate if you don't know how long to work. If you're making enough money, you may work only a few hours a week to meet your additional income objectives. Number 12. Cleaning the house. Cleaning is a need, yet many individuals lack the time or willingness to do it. A few cleaning materials and a few hours a week are all you need to start making money. Perform this solo concert to get the most money possible. You get to keep all your money, and you may often offer a lower fee than an excellent cleaning service. You may get started by asking around and charging $100 for a modest home or apartment. Getting started is straightforward and easy. Every time you do this, you'll earn an additional $1,000 a year. And lastly, number 13. Repairs to your home service. Similar to cleaning, things break around the house. If you have a minor hole to patch or a dripping faucet to mend, you're more likely to call a handyman or lady than you are to solve the problem independently. It's possible to earn a solid living by doing minor home repairs for friends, relatives, and anybody else who needs it. It will fetch a higher price than you may expect. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Give your precious and worthy suggestions in the comment section below about this video and the topic that you want to know next.